Are you tired of living with constant pain? Hi there, I'm Jerry, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of people worldwide, chronic pain. Whether it's back pain, arthritis, migraines, or any other persistent discomfort, living with chronic pain can be incredibly challenging. But what if I told you there's a natural solution that could offer relief? That's right. In this video, we'll be exploring the therapeutic benefits of lavender essential oil for managing chronic pain. I'm excited to share with you how lavender essential oil, with its soothing aroma and therapeutic properties, can provide a holistic approach to pain management. From its origins in the fragrant fields of Provence to its potent healing properties, lavender essential oil has been used for centuries to promote relaxation and well-being. By the end of this video, you'll gain valuable insights into how lavender essential oil can offer relief from chronic pain, allowing you to live a more comfortable and fulfilling life. So grab a cup of tea, get cozy, and join me as we explore the power of lavender essential oil for chronic pain relief. You won't want to miss it. Stay tuned till the end for all the tips and tricks. Chronic pain is more than just a physical sensation. It can deeply impact every aspect of life, from daily activities to overall well-being. Whether it stems from injuries, medical conditions, or other underlying causes, the burden of chronic pain is a constant struggle for millions of individuals worldwide. In this segment, we'll delve into the definition of chronic pain, its common causes, and the various types of conditions it encompasses. Understanding the complexity of chronic pain is essential to exploring effective management strategies, and I'm here to guide you through it. Now that we have a better understanding of chronic pain, let's explore a natural remedy that has gained widespread attention for its potential therapeutic benefits: lavender essential oil. Derived from the fragrant lavender plant, this essential oil has been used for centuries for its calming aroma and healing properties. In this segment, we'll take a closer look at lavender essential oil, from its origins and extraction process to its remarkable therapeutic effects. Get ready to discover why lavender essential oil is not just a pleasant scent, but a powerful tool in the fight against chronic pain. Now that we've introduced lavender essential oil, let's delve into its remarkable benefits for chronic pain relief. Lavender essential oil is renowned for its anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and calming properties, making it a versatile remedy for various types of pain. Studies have shown that inhaling the aroma of lavender essential oil can help reduce pain perception and promote relaxation. Additionally, when applied topically, lavender essential oil can soothe sore muscles, alleviate tension, and provide relief from discomfort. In this segment, we'll explore the science behind lavender essential oil's pain-relieving effects, and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine to experience its full benefits. Stay tuned as we uncover more about the therapeutic potential of lavender essential oil for chronic pain management. Now that we understand the benefits of lavender essential oil for chronic pain relief, let's explore the different methods of application. There are several ways to use lavender essential oil to alleviate pain and promote relaxation. One popular method is topical application, where you can dilute the essential oil with a carrier oil and massage it onto the affected area. This allows the soothing properties of lavender essential oil to penetrate the skin and provide targeted relief. Another method is inhalation, where you can diffuse lavender essential oil in a diffuser or inhale it directly from the bottle. This allows you to experience the calming aroma of lavender, which can help reduce stress and tension, contributing to pain relief. Additionally, you can incorporate lavender essential oil into your bath or shower routine for a relaxing and rejuvenating experience. Experiment with different methods to find what works best for you and enjoy the natural benefits of lavender essential oil for chronic pain management. Stay tuned for more tips on how to effectively use lavender essential oil for pain relief. Before you start using lavender essential oil for chronic pain relief, it's important to consider some safety precautions. While lavender essential oil is generally considered safe for most people, it's essential to dilute it properly before applying it to the skin, especially if you have sensitive skin or are prone to allergic reactions. Always perform a patch test before using lavender essential oil topically to ensure you don't experience any adverse reactions. Additionally, if you're pregnant, nursing, or have any underlying medical conditions, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before using lavender essential oil. Remember to store lavender essential oil properly in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its potency and shelf life. By following these safety considerations, you can enjoy the benefits of lavender essential oil for chronic pain relief safely and effectively. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the use of lavender essential oil for managing chronic pain. When it comes to purchasing lavender essential oil for chronic pain relief, quality matters. With so many options available on the market, it's essential to choose a high-quality product that is pure and free from additives or synthetic fragrances. Look for lavender essential oil that is labeled as 100% pure or therapeutic grade to ensure you're getting the real deal. Additionally, consider purchasing lavender essential oil from reputable brands or suppliers that prioritize quality and transparency. Pay attention to the extraction method used, as steam distillation is the preferred method for producing high-quality lavender essential oil. Lastly, take note of the aroma and color of the essential oil, pure lavender. Essential oil should have a sweet floral scent and a pale yellow color. By following these tips, you can ensure you're getting the best quality lavender essential oil for maximum effectiveness in managing chronic pain. Stay tuned for more valuable insights into the world of lavender essential oil and its benefits for chronic pain relief. Now, let's dive into a simple DIY recipe using lavender essential oil for chronic pain relief. This recipe requires just a few ingredients and can be easily made at home. For this pain relief recipe, you'll need 10-12 drops of lavender essential oil, 2 tablespoons of a carrier oil, such as coconut oil or sweet almond oil, a small glass bottle for storage. Simply add the lavender essential oil to the carrier oil in the glass bottle. Secure the lid tightly and shake well to blend the oils together. Once you've made the recipe, you can apply a small amount of the oil to the affected area and gently massage it into your skin using circular motions. Take deep breaths and inhale the calming aroma of lavender as you massage the oil into your skin. And there you have it, a simple recipe using lavender essential oil for chronic pain relief. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. And there you have it. We've explored the incredible benefits of lavender essential oil for chronic pain relief, from its soothing aroma to its powerful therapeutic properties. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring, and that you're excited to incorporate lavender essential oil into your pain management routine. Remember, managing chronic pain is a journey, and it's essential to explore different holistic approaches to find what works best for you. Whether it's through topical application, inhalation, or recipes, lavender essential oil offers a natural and effective solution for alleviating discomfort and promoting overall well-being. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I look forward to sharing more insights and tips with you in future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content on natural health and wellness. Until next time, take care and be well.